Okay, so we have done quite a bit of this. Some of these are kind of easy, some of them are a little bit harder, but what we're supposed to do is write an equation in slope-intercept form here. For number 18, you'll notice, so again, pause it and try it on your own first, but after you pause it for a second and try these, go ahead and follow along with what I'm doing here. So looking at this, anytime we're given two coordinate points, we need to find our slope. So obviously that's going to be our first step on number 18 as well. We're going to say -2 minus 1 on top over 3, or excuse me, 0 minus 3, and I get -3 over -3, and I get 1 for my slope. So far what I know is this much information. Y equals 1 times x. Now the nice thing about having a picture is that I can look right here and see what my y-intercept is. That's where it crosses the y-axis. So it looks like -2 is going to be my solution. So there's my solution for number 18. Number 19, the same thing, we need to find our slope. We can count on number 19 also. So if I wanted to count, my rise is -2, my run looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I wanted to count that out, I would say my slope is -1/2. And then after I find my slope, which is -1/2, I put my y-intercept and it looks like 4 on that equation. The other ones are the same way, except for we don't have a picture now. We still need to find our slope. So on number 20, we find our slope. We take 8 minus 8 on top over 6 minus 0. And we get 0 over 6. And that is 0 for our slope. So if we plug in y equals 0x, we look and see what our intercept is, and it looks like it's 8. And again, if you notice your slope is 0, we know that that's a horizontal line. So if it's a horizontal line, we can go ahead and just say our equation is y is equal to 8. Okay, last one here. Number 21, we need to find our slope. Again, it looks like our y's are the same again. So it says write an equation of the line that passes through 0, -5, and 5, -5, -5. It's going to be the same thing, guys. We're going to say y equals -5. Both y values are -5, so this is also going to be a horizontal line if I were to graph that. Point slope form is very simple. If you have it in your notes, you should be able to just copy this stuff down and put your answers in. So if I have 2 points given, I need to find my slope, but for 22 and 23 I'm given a slope, or for 22 I'm given a slope. So all I need to do is put y minus 4 equals 3 and then x minus 4. You're just plugging in those two 4's. For number 23 we need to find our slope first. So 23 I'd go -3 minus 2 over 6 minus -4, and I get -5 over 10, which is -1/2. And then I pick either point, it doesn't matter which, so I'm going to pick the first point. Y minus 2 equals -1/2 x plus 4. And there it is.